Click on the link below to get price. The PowerSmart 2500 watt portable inverter generator with quiet technology is a remarkable addition to the world of portable power solutions, especially for those who value both efficiency and noise reduction. Weighing in at just under 50 pounds, this generator strikes a balance between portability and power, making it an ideal option for camping trips, tailgating, or even emergency home backup. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive quiet technology. Operating at a remarkably low noise level of around 58 dBA, it allows users to enjoy their outdoor activities without the disruptive hum often associated with traditional generators. This makes it perfect for late-night gatherings or peaceful camping experiences where noise might be a concern. In terms of performance, the 2500 watt output is suitable for running small appliances, chargers, and lights. The inverter technology ensures stable, clean power output, which is essential for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. The generator has two AC outlets and USB ports, providing versatile charging options to meet various needs. The fuel efficiency of this model is another notable aspect. With a runtime of up to 7 hours on a full tank at 25% load, it minimizes the need for frequent refueling, allowing users to enjoy uninterrupted power during their activities. The generator is also equipped with an eco mode feature that adjusts its engine speed based on the connected load, further enhancing fuel efficiency. The design of the PowerSmart generator is user-friendly, featuring an easily accessible control panel and a built-in handle for convenient transportation. The lightweight construction, combined with a compact design, allows for easy storage and transport. However, while it excels in many areas, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications or larger appliances that require more wattage. Overall, the PowerSmart 2500 watt portable inverter generator is an excellent choice for anyone in need of portable, quiet, and efficient power on the go.